Hello guys, Sangita Mundhada here. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.5 from NCERT textbook. So let's start the exercise. In this section, we will discuss exercise 2.5. Use suitable identity to find the following product. Question number 1, x plus 4 into x plus 10. Already in one of my video, we had discussed identities. X plus A into X plus B is equal to X square plus A plus B into X plus AB. Now, if you see this example, similar to this identity, X plus A in place of A 4, X plus B in place of B 10. So, is equal to first term X square plus A plus B means 4 plus 10 into X plus 4 into 10 is equal to X square plus 14X plus 40. Question 2, X plus 8, X minus 10. Same identity you can use here using X plus A and X plus B. You will get first term X square, then plus 8 minus 10 into X plus 8 into minus 10 is equal to X square minus plus minus 2X plus minus 80. Final answer X square minus 2X minus 80. Question number 3, 3X plus 4 and 3X minus 5. Here also same identity is useful because first term in place of X, here 3X, in place of A 4 and in place of B minus 5. So using above identity, 3X square plus 4 plus minus minus 5 into here in place of X 3X plus 4 into minus 5. So is equal to 3 square 9, 9x square minus 1 into 3x minus 3x, 4 5 are minus 20 plus into minus, product of positive and negative number is always negative. Then question number 4, y square plus 3 by 2 and y square minus 3 by 2. Here y square plus 3 by 2, y square minus 3 by 2, using identity a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into a minus b is equal to, you will get product a square minus b square. So in place of a, y square, in place of b, 3 by 2. So is equal to y square raised to power 2 minus 3 by 2 square is equal to, final answer y raised to 4 minus 9 by 4. Then last question, question number 5, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. Using identity a plus b, a minus b, 3 square minus 2x square is equal to 9 minus 4x square. Question 3, factorize using appropriate identity. Here 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. From all the three terms, is there any common factor? No. Then what we have to do? This 9x square is the perfect square. So I write 3x square plus 2 into, we will write plus y square. 2 into 3x into y. Now 3x square a square plus twice a into b, y means b, y square. So using identity a square plus twice ab plus b square is equal to a plus b square. So is equal to 3x plus y bracket square is equal to 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Then question 2, same way, using same identity, only in place of that a minus b square. 2y bracket square plus 1 square 2 into 2y into 1 using identity a square minus twice ab plus b square equal to a minus b square. So in place of a 2y minus 1 square is equal to 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. Now x square minus y square using identity a square minus b square. This all identities I have taken in one of my videos. So just go through it. A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. This can be written as x square minus y upon 10 square is equal to x minus y by 10 and x plus y by 10. Question 4. Expand following using appropriate identity. X plus 2y plus 4 bracket square. So we know that identity a plus b plus c square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice c. A, B, C. A square, B square, C square, twice AB, twice BC, twice C. So is equal to x square plus 2y square plus 4z square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x is equal to x square plus 2 square 4 y square plus 4 square 16 z square plus 2 to the 4 xy plus 2 to the 4 4 4 the 16 yz plus 2 4 the 8 zx. Next question. 2x minus y plus z square. In place of same identity, in place of x a 2x square plus minus y square plus z square plus 2 into 2x into minus y plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into z into 2x is equal to 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 to the 4xy plus minus minus 2yz plus 2 to the 4z. This is the way you have to solve problems on the basis of identity a plus b plus c square. Thanks for watching the video. If you learn something interesting, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.